Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called BabyDuck. BabyDuck is the ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that people store on their hard drives. So before the ransomware attack, I was able to open the files without troubles. But now this is what is happening with my files. Whenever I try to open the specific file, I get this message indicating that Windows can't open this type of file with the BabyDuck extension. The same applies to all other files, and it is not possible to open these files. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note that is titled as attention, and it says BabyDuck quack quack. Maybe it's funny for the developers of this ransomware, but it's not funny for the victims of the ransomware. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay that ransom. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then click on the Start Scan button. So the software will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available, and then the scanning will begin. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks, but this feature does not decrypt files. Nevertheless, it indeed helps you to effectively detect this ransomware, to remove it, and, as I said, to protect your files. File decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner, and it is not possible for any other antivirus. At the end of the scan by Combo Cleaner, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. The summary of these threats will give you the information about the threats, their names, their exact locations on the computer. Of course, some threats detected by Combo Cleaner Antivirus can be removed manually based on the summary of those threats, but we believe that upgrading to Premium is a much better solution. This will help you to always get your data protected from further ransomware attacks. And speaking about file decryption, you may find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.